Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and hello to my lovely subscribers. So just in the title you might have known what I am going to show you today. So today I am going to show you the clothes that I bought in the past few weeks, and I am kind of excited as well as nervous because it's gonna be my first time to sit and talk with you for quite a long time, and I'm kind of super excited to share this with you. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first one that I want to show you is this white sweater, white crop sweater, and it is made in Korea and it has written one top. The thing that I like is the knotted style here. It gives a kind of like a cute looks, and I can wear this with any kind of like outfit, like with a high waist jeans or with any formal casual trouser. So yeah, this is it. It cost only 150 rupees. Yes, this is my first one, and the other one is, let me show you, this gray shirt. I mean it's gray sweatshirt. Yes, I hope it's original. It's written here Nike. It's a brand tag here, so I hope it's original, and I really like a gray color. It suits every skin tone, it suits everyone, so I'm happy with this. This one also I got with only 150 rupees. Actually I bought this two together. It's like 150 each, okay? So yeah, that's it. And the second one is this jacket. It's very warm inside, and yeah, I'm waiting for the winter to wear this out. Yes, and it is very light in color and it just gives me a bright looks, and yeah, I can wear this with any kind of like jeans or choker pants. So I'm very excited to try this, and this price cost rupees 600. The next one is this black knee-length jacket. It has a pocket on the side, see, and it is knee-length, and the body part is foam material, and the hand part it is woolen material. And can you guys guess the price of this jacket? It is only 150 rupees. Yes, only 150 rupees. And the only defect here is the zip. But yeah, I'm happy with the purchase because it is very reasonable and super cheap. Actually, I bought this from the same person. This one I bought in the first pickup. The price range was 600 in the first pickup, and this one after a few days they gave me a discount for rupees 150, so I'm happy. Yes, and the next one is this strap jacket. I don't know how it looks like in the camera, but it is very new, okay? And it has a warmer inside with mustard yellow color. Yes, it's very bright color, so it can match out with any kind of outfit. Yes, and this cost rupees 350 rupees, and it has a pocket on the side. Yeah, so I can wear this with any kind of long pant, choker pants, pajama, any kind of outfit. So rupees 350, okay? Okay, and the next one here is this choker pants, another gray in color. Yes, and it has a pocket on the side with zip, which is good, okay? And on the back side it is written Discovery here, Discovery. I hope it is visible, and if I am not mistaken, Discovery is also among a part of a brand name, isn't it? Please comment down in the comment below if it is a brand name or not, because I'm not very much familiar with brand names, so I don't know. So this is it, and it has a warmer inside. See, and I cannot wait for this winter to wear this out. Yes, and this cost rupees 300 I guess, or 350. I almost forgot it, the actual price, but it is between 300 and 350. Okay, and the next one is another gray choker pants, and the one that I show you now is of light gray color, and this one is a dark gray color. And the thing that I like about here is the pocket in the side. You know, the reason why I like this pocket on the side is because I am kind of thin, so on my thigh area it will give me a little bit of structure. Yes, and it is not so warm inside. It is very thin material, but anyway I can manage it. Okay, this one cost rupees 200 rupees only, which is kind of reasonable, and I'm very much happy with the purchase. Okay, and yeah, I have another gray color shirt, and can you guys see this? It is written Zara Boys. And yeah, this one is nothing much, looks very great. It is very simple with a pocket on the front side, so I'm just gonna, you know, use this in my daily wear, or you know, I can turn this out into a night suit also. Yes, so this one is only 50 rupees. Okay, so it's kind of cheap, so I don't regret buying this. So that is it. And the next one is this jean long pant. Actually I bought this in kids section, along with my niece and nephew clothes. I bought this together. It was like in a bulk purchase, so approximately it turns out to be like rupees 110 or 20 something per piece. So yeah, it has a leopard or cheetah, I don't know what print is called. So on the back side also it has. So I am thinking to get rid of this pocket. Yes, and I might show you in one of my DIY if it turns out good. And the thing I like here is it has a warmer inside, so yeah, it's gonna be great for this winter. And it has an elastic with no zip. Okay, so it is only rupees 110 or 20 approximately. And along with this jeans, I choose this with the kids section. Yes, this baby pink in color. This shoes hanging here is kind of giving me the Christmas vibes. Okay, so I'm kind of excited to wear this also in my daily wear with pajamas or leggings. Yes, and it has a turtleneck, which I really like. I love turtleneck, you know, I really love turtleneck, and it looks so cute. Yeah, so 110 or 120 something. Yes, that is it. And another one sweater with a turtleneck here. Ta-da! This one is another sweater with turtleneck. I really like turtleneck, seriously. And it is very warm. Okay, and it looks like this. It is a cropped sweater, I should say. Yes, cropped sweater with turtleneck, and it looks like this. And it's very warm inside, and it costs rupees 300, and I can wear this out with any kind of high waist jeans or trouser or any kind of choker pants, so it will match out with any kind of outfit. Yes, this is it, rupees 300. And the last one is this black trouser pants. It is pure and black. Okay, it is pure and black. I haven't ironed this, so it kind of look wrinkled, but yeah, it's very good material. Okay, and the thing I like here about here is that on the bottom of the length here it has a different design, unique design, so I really like this. And I can wear this in church or with any kind of while going out, or with canvas, sneakers, heels. Yeah, it can match with any kind of shoes. So yeah, I'm super excited, and this cost rupees 400. And the last one that I want to show is this socks. Yeah, so the socks that I bought is this neon pink color. I don't know how it turns out in the camera. It doesn't look so good because of the lighting, but yeah, wait, see, no, see, yes, this is the color. And on the back side it has written New Balance. So it cost only 40 rupees. Actually, all the socks that I bought is of 40 rupees except this and this, because I bought this in kids section, and it has a neon green color. It has an ice cream on the front side. I kind of like it. And the second one is of Gap. It's written here Gap, white in color. Yes, 30 rupees. In this one also 40 rupees. It's very soft in material. 40 rupees. 40. Here it has a reindeer picture, which is very cute. Yes, 40 rupees. This one is also 40 rupees. I like it, and it has written Adidas here. So yeah, 40 rupees. And guys, I really like this socks. These are Benetton. Yes, 40 rupees. Another pair of Benetton. See, 40 rupees. Yes, again another pair of Benetton, 40 rupees. Yes, and the last one, this one she gave me free because I bought so many socks. Actually, it was a bulk purchase also, like we purchased together with my niece and nephew, my sister, brother-in-law, and for my mom and dad. So it was a bulk purchase, so she gave me this one free. It's written Nipa. Yes, so yeah, that's all for today. That's all. So guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also please don't leave without subscribing to my channel, okay? I would appreciate a lot if you subscribe to my channel before leaving. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.